Hello everyone, welcome to another video of tutorials. So in this tutorial we'll show you how to navigate the charts. I'll try to keep it as short, as simple as possible. So one of the ways to navigate is from the quotes, right? From the quotes you pick a pair, then you tap on it. So from here we can open the chart, or you can tap here and go to charts, or the last one here is you tap on the bottom left beside this arrow here and you can navigate to the chart. Okay, so what you see in this chart here, I will try to explain. Okay, one by one. From the top left hand corner is your forex pair, USD yen, and then followed by the time frame. Okay, this is the time frame that you are looking at. D1 means a daily time frame. So the numbers below are your open, high, low and close for the day, for whichever time frame you are looking at. Okay, if you look at the chart here, it's very zoom out. You can use your fingers like how you would to zoom in and zoom out. So for example, I want to zoom in. Let's just try. Okay, use your fingers and zoom in. Okay, you can try and zoom in as much as you want up to this point. Okay, and zoom out like so. Okay, so let's go to what else. Okay, the one on top here is your crosshair. Alright, you see here, so you can move around your crosshair and see. Okay, I just have to untap it again to zoom in a bit. Okay, so you can see what I'm going to explain. Okay, so let's go to the latest one. So I'm moving here to the latest candlestick for the daily time frame. The one you see at the bottom highlighted in black is the date, and then on the right is your price. So the price of USD yen is on the right column. Okay, so let's go to the next one. You see an F here, just click on it, don't worry. Okay, you can choose your indicators now. A typical indicator, we will try relative strength index. Okay, so you can set the parameters, the styles, the level, and then you click on done. So this is what we have right now. Okay, so you can find out more about what is RSI, but I would like a clean chart, so I just have to delete. Oh yeah, you can actually tap on the chart to navigate between the time frames, and for now I want to show you how to delete off the indicator. So just tap on F, then you see the top right hand corner where you can see the dustbin. Tap on it and check, and then tap again. So we have a clean slate now. So just following on, we have the dollar sign here, top right hand corner. You tap on it, so now you can toggle between pairs. And the second one here is your time frame. Okay, just remember that each time frame is different, so every time you toggle between time frame, the chart will look different. Okay, let's just show you H4. See, okay, you will know more once you gain more knowledge about this. So let's go to the next one. Let's go to the plus sign at the end, top right hand corner. So this is how normally you would place a position. Okay, if you tap on market execution, you can choose different type of orders, all right, to place a position. So the one here are your lot sizes, and here obviously are the price. Okay, here is this side here is where you place your stop loss, and this side here on the right is where you place your take profit. Okay, we'll try to go more into detail in other videos. So thank you for watching everyone.